Alright guys, here's a cleaning mat. Serious gear. What are we cleaning? Should tell you everything. Look at this baby. Oh yeah. Piston driven. Can you see that in there? Awesome. Here she is. Caracal CAR816 A2. 16-inch barrel, made in the USA. Let's open this guy up. Uppers moved on from the lower. Let's pull this bolt. There's our bolt. There's our charger. Let's take a look at this bolt. Look at this shape and design. Most of the guns I own are direct impingement. This is an actual piston pushing it back. That is awesome. Let's clean it up. This gun is super clean already. I'm just doing some finishing touches on it. So no, I'm not taking the bolt carrier apart. You'll probably, for all those out there who are looking already, I'm not taking the bolt carrier apart. It's already super clean. I'm a bore snake type of guy. Let's pull her through. Why we clean this? Why don't we look at some of the internals? There's our piston, comes back and pushes back the bolt carrier group, resets the trigger. And now let's take a look at our lower. There's our spring. I'm liking that red stuff that they put on there to help strengthen up and hold that spring in the place. There's our ambidextrous safety right there. This gun honestly is super clean already. I'm just kind of opening her up and take a look at the internals. See what we're dealing with. Lots of just amazing manufacturing skills there. Goodies. Let's get this guy back together. There she be. The piston. See that piston right there? Yeah. Piston driven 816 A2.